In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your account and get started on Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. We'll walk through signing up, navigating the platform, and exploring some essential tools, all without making any actual trades. By the end, you'll have a foundational understanding of how to use Binance confidently. So, let's dive in. First, head over to Binance.com. Once you are there, you'll spot the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Give it a click to begin creating your account. Now, you have some choices. You can sign up using your email, your phone number, or even your Google account. Whichever option works best for you, go ahead and select it. Next, you'll need to verify your choice, whether it's a code sent to your email or your phone. Make sure you complete that step to continue. Once verification is out of the way, it's time to set a strong password for your account. Choose something unique, making use of a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, just click on Create Account. Optionally, Binance might prompt you to complete identity verification. For this tutorial, you can skip this part, as we're focusing on familiarizing ourselves with the platform rather than making actual trades. Now that you're logged in, let's take a look around the Binance homepage, which is your control center for everything crypto. At the top, you'll find the main menu bar, your gateway to exploring different features. Starting with markets, you can check out live crypto prices. It's a great way to keep up with the bustling world of cryptocurrencies. Next is trade, offering options like spot trading, margin trading, and more. Then we have derivatives for those interested in futures trading. The Wallet section provides an overview of your crypto balances, and the More tab opens up exciting features like Launchpad for new projects, the Binance feed for updates, and Academy, which offers educational resources. As you scroll down, you'll see the Markets overview, which shows top-performing assets, and the news feed that keeps you updated with the latest in the crypto space. Now, let's move on to spot trading through a simple simulation. Hover over Trade in the top menu, then click on Spot. In the search bar here, type a trading pair like BTC USDT. Click the pair to open the trading interface. On the right, you'll see options to buy or sell, with detailed order types like limit, market, and stop limit. Below, the order book and recent trades help you understand market dynamics. To simulate a trade, enter any value to buy BTC at market price, then click Buy. Remember, don't confirm the purchase. This is just a practice run. If you're seeking simpler ways to trade, the Convert feature is your friend. By hovering over Trade, select Convert. You can choose your coins, for example, converting USDT to BTC. Enter any amount, as no real balance is needed here. Click Preview. Conversion to see the live rate, then simply cancel instead of confirming the action. It's time to understand your wallet. By clicking on Wallet and then Fiat and Spot, you'll see all your available balances. Don't worry if they're at zero, we're just exploring. Clicking any coin lets you access options to deposit, withdraw, or even trade. The top search bar helps you filter through your holdings efficiently. Finally, let's explore some additional Binance tools. Clicking More and selecting Academy provides you with free guides and videos to deepen your knowledge. The Markets tab lets you track live prices across different cryptocurrencies. Use the filter and search tools to monitor coins by volume, price, or popularity, depending on your interests. And that wraps up our beginner's tour of Binance. You've taken your first steps in setting up and navigating this powerful platform. Don't forget, the key to mastering any tool is practice and exploration. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.